What's up, guys? All right, so as you can see, I'm not inside the car. I'm in the Car Shack. Now, Car Shack is one of the shops that is owned by a good friend of mine here in Makati, and I'm here today because Scarlett needs some things done to her. As you know, I just uploaded a video on my first track day in Batangas Racing Circuit, and there's also a video where you saw me using the Miata Pace and 911 around the track. And as much as Scarlett was able to perform very well during that track day, unfortunately after the track day I kind of felt my brakes go spongy. So I kind of knew already that my brake fluids were cooked. I did some consultations with the owner of Car Shack, Ramon Villacorta, and he recommended to me that I should go for semi-street race brake pads. So right now, that's what I'm gonna do. Scarlett's gonna get some work done to her. She's gonna go through a brake pad change, and I'm also going to bleed the brake fluids and install new brake fluids into Scarlett. That way, the more track duties I do and more spirited driving I do, I'd have more dependable brakes on my car. So I'm gonna show you guys how it's gonna go. Alright guys, so this is what we have. This is the set of front and rear brake pads that I'll install on Scarlett. It's a set of W3 Winmax pads, which offers the best compromise for street and track. So this would help increase the heat tolerances of my pads, which will make my brakes more effective. So they're gonna go on Scarlett. My very first was suspension and brake related performance mod. Okay, so some of you may be wondering why I decided to go with Winmax W3 brake pads. Well, Winmax W3 is, I think for me, is the best application for my use, since Scarlett Miata is still very much a daily driver. Although after my first track day, I kind of lightened up my blood and makes me want to go on more track days, and pretty much my normal driving around in mountains and canyon carving is pretty aggressive. So going for W3 brake pads is a good compromise between the noise and performance and the dust and durability. So that's why I went for the Winmax W3 brake pads. Luis. Hi Luis, what are we doing here? We're doing something to Scarlett. We're changing her brakes. See? As you can see guys, I brought my little boy Luis with me. Say hi to everyone, Luis.
Hi.
Yeah, so Luis, even at 5 years old, I'm already training him to be around cars, to know how things go with Scarlett. So he's here in the shop with me. He's just going to observe how we change brake pads. We're changing brake pads. The pads have been installed, and now we're gonna bleed the original brake fluid and replace it with this. This is, I don't even know how to pronounce this, Ate DOT4 brake fluid. This one I'll really have to do because I have a feeling I pretty much cooked my brake fluids during the track day, because even while driving it going to Car Shack, the brake pedal felt so spongy and so soft, and the bite wasn't as strong as it used to be. Firme. Alright, so brakes have been bled. That's the front. There's the rear. Okay, and we got newly installed DOT4 brake fluid. So that's not brake fluid, guys, that's just water. And it was used to wash off any brake fluid residue, just to make sure that, you know, the brake fluid, the old brake fluid will not damage the car's paint and components. Alright guys, so it's done. My Winmax W3 brake pads have been installed. We've bled the brake fluid. It's now from DOT3, now it's DOT4. So I do expect Scarlett to, you know, to have better stopping power now, and should be able to hold on to the rigors of track days in the near future. Thanks for watching, guys. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel so that you could see more upcoming modifications and trips that I'll be doing with Scarlett. And if if there's anything that you want to let me know, just hit me in the comments below. Should I do coilovers next, or should I do a front strut tower bar, or maybe change my rims? I don't know. Just let me know in the comments below, guys. Anyway, see you next time. Bye-bye.